Here we go, Tuesday morning. Dark outside. Let's see. Crazy girl is this morning. Oh, here she is right here. Trying to, oh, I can't get her. Trying to break down. Oh, hi, good morning. How are you? Are you good? Hang on. Can't get your covers back here. There we go. How are we today? You doing okay? You need some waters? You do. Well, you need to change the waters. Anything good to say today? I gotta change your water out. Oh, hang on. Give me a second. Here's your water. Nice and clean for you. Oops. How do we do things with one hand? Here we are. You want some food too? Imagine that, eating food, huh? Let's see what we could find over here. Oh, there's a Gracie. No, there's a Dixie. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired this morning. Some mornings. I'm calling the bird the dog, and the dog the bird, and they look at me like I'm crazy. Okay, we got some nuts and some seeds and some good stuff here. You have anything to say this morning before I have to get ready for work? Hopefully we don't have a lot of thunderstorms today. I know yesterday we had a lot, right? You want to go over there? Oops. Oh, yeah. All right, well, you have a great, what is today? Tuesday. And I will see you tonight. Maybe we should try to start learning a new word. I'll have to think of a good word. Football season's coming. I know you love your football. Okay. All right there, Dixie. Have a great day. Bye.